Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, July 1st. And with clouds out there, you can see pretty uniform temperatures in the mid to upper 50s across the area, low 60s across the southeast. We got a lot of cloud cover again out there, but I think we'll begin to see some pokes of sunshine here, especially across interior areas this afternoon. And it'll be a fairly cool day out there. I think highs will struggle to get above 70 with all the cloud cover. But then we got a much improving forecast right down through the 4th of July weekend. Look for a lot of sunshine. Highs in the 70s tomorrow, around 80 on Friday, in the low 80s over the weekend, maybe even the mid 80s. And then I think Monday before the cold front comes through, we could start off with sunshine, very muggy conditions, and highs at least in the mid 80s. And then I think we'll see some showers and thunderstorms late in the day on Monday or Monday night into early Tuesday before we cool down later next week. If we take a look, you can see outside the webcam from Jasper this morning. You can see all the puddles have all dried up, and we are getting some drying finally across the area. It looks like very good conditions to dry things up here over the next 5 days. If we look at the MAC Lightning Detection Network, and you can see absolutely nothing out there. And if we scoot by to the forecast map for later today, you can see low pressure that brought some of the showers yesterday scattered. But certainly some pretty good amounts in some local areas. Has now moved off to the east. The next system will drop down. It should keep its dynamics far enough north that on Friday, I think, that any precipitation would be confined probably to the upper peninsula, maybe some scattered activity across far northern lower Michigan, but no big deal as it looks like right now. And you can see that for the Friday map. We skip ahead past Thursday into Friday, as Thursday will be a nice sunshiny day, mostly sunny across much of the state again on Friday, again with the exception of the possible thunderstorms well to the north. And if we look at the growing degree days here so far as of midnight on the 30th, you can see we're certainly jumping those up a little bit, but still on pace for a little bit behind the last 2 years. But we are gradually seeing those move north, and not to forget our friends in the UP. There are also, you can see quite a big difference between growing degree days between the lower peninsula and the upper peninsula. An interesting slide here is not that we're dry, especially across southern lower Michigan, but notice once we get up to the resistance levels, about 50, 60 CVs, that we begin to see what the effects of morning dew and fog can do to the ground, and even at the 2-inch level. That's where this is at, 2 inches. And you can see how that in the morning hours we see that soil moisture increase. So Mother Nature tries to help us out even in drought conditions when we don't have any rain. But also keep this in mind: if once we get wheat crop and oat crop, once they get dried down and ready for harvest, it's always good. You've probably heard this many times in the last quite a few years, to get it as early as you can, because as you see the surface and the 2-inch levels moisten up every morning and then dry down and then moisten up, that has a tendency to start reducing the test weight and the quality of the wheat. And you can, I'll have to get Marlette. They've got a leaf wetness sensor there, and we'll get that graph up, and you can also see it within that, how it responds during the morning hours. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.